Sorry about that. Just a little...
Oh!
It's okay. It just makes your voice high. It's got a little helium voice. Don't worry about it. Don't worry.
It's fine.
No, it's okay. Let's go here. What's here? Is this a fight club?
Can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you.
You sound really high pitched.
Oh God.
It's gonna make it hard to know whether you're an imposter or not, though.
Oh, exit!
Should we open this?
Exit!
Exit.
Nice!
That's huge. Hooray! They sound so cute right now. Kawaii.
I can't understand them very well, but they sound so cute.
Kawaii. I can just tell they're laughing and it's adorable. Oh, you're fine now.
You adorable too!